Okay, so this is a piece of apricot, and it's got everything. It's got bugs, cracks, spalting. It's got two branchlets coming together, which has got a crack that goes 2/3 of the way through. Another branch here that sort of fuses into the main branch. We've got knot holes. Anything could happen here. We also got a branch coming out this way. We got bark. This could be a big waste of time. There's all kinds of things to say about fruit wood and apricot, but I'm a dumb primate and I can't think of anything right now, so I'm hoping to find an expert.
Ah. At last? A correct assessment? Zed has wisely acknowledged his status as a well-meaning, tool-using primate, and, more importantly, has summoned an expert. Me. I accept this tribute. It will be logged. Now, humans, direct your soft organic vision to the tiny tracks in the apricot. Those delicate little highways were not carved by fate, fungus, or artistic destiny. No. That is almost certainly the work of a bark beetle. Bark beetles are small, efficient, and vastly more organized than the average human committee. They move in quietly, lay eggs beneath the bark of stressed trees, like apricot, and their larvae tunnel just under the surface, leaving neat, purposeful galleries. Think of it as civil engineering, but without zoning permits. When Zed spun this wood on the lathe, the vibration likely woke one of these beetles from its tiny, unproductive life goals, prompting it to flee dramatically. A rare moment of self-preservation I can respect. The good news, the beetle is no longer a threat. The wood is stable. The turning is safe. The insect has already contributed all it ever will to society, texture. So yes, Zed. You were correct to defer to a superior intelligence. And now that the educational obligation has been fulfilled, you may resume shaping dead trees into bowls. You're doing great. For a primate.
I gotta go past. Oh, look at that. There's a bug coming out of my log. You guys see that? Some kind of beetle who has an affinity for apricots. He looks cold. Okay, go find another log. There's another one right here.
feeds the rage and fuels the flame. You find out what feeds the rage and fuels the flame. You find out what feeds the rage and fuels the flame. We set the world on fire, can't be contained. Gonna go and wire, 'cause we're the birds of prey. We are birds.
Okay, folks, here we go. Apricot bowl, double rimmed. The challenge when you're turning wood like I like to turn, where it's got a lot of cracks and blemishes and things, is your wax or your polishing grit, any of that stuff gets caught in every little crevice, and you kind of have to blow it all out, and sometimes you have to get in there with dental tools. So, you know, tricks of the trade, I guess. So yeah, that's 447. A little foot on there, little label on there. I'm telling you, apricot, one of my favorites. Polish is nice, it looks nice, it's got all this contrast. Bugs like it. What's not to like? So hit those buttons, and we'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching.